Welcome to my channel. So the electronic circuits 2 playlist. So in that we are going to discuss about the problems from the tuned amplifiers. Okay, so in the previous video we discussed some 5 problems from the tuned amplifier topic. Similarly, the remaining problem we will discuss in this video. Okay, so the first one, you see, determine the bandwidth of two-stage synchronous tuned amplifier. Okay, assume the bandwidth of individual stages 200 kilohertz. So this is the November December 2017 question. Okay, so it's a very important question. So first, what is the question means? Determine the bandwidth of two-stage synchronous tuned amplifier. What is mean by synchronous tuned amplifier means the identical tuned amplifiers are connected in cascade means that is called as a synchronous tuned amplifier. Okay, so here the question is we have to find the bandwidth of two stage amplifier. Okay, so the number of stages n is given as 2. Okay, and each stage is having the bandwidth is 200 kilohertz. So the bandwidth of single stage amplifier is 200 kilohertz. Okay, so now we have to find the bandwidth of two stage synchronous tuned amplifier. So already you know the formula for the bandwidth of n stage synchronously tuned amplifier. Okay, if n number of stages are connected in cascade means the bandwidth of that overall bandwidth of that n stage is nothing but the bandwidth of one stage into square root of 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1. Okay, so here what is the bandwidth of the single stage? 200 kilohertz. Okay, so the BW1 is nothing but bandwidth of one stage. And here the number of stages is 2. So n equal to 2. So if you are substituting, so 200 into 10 to the power 3 into square root of 2 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. So if you are solving, we will get the answer is 128.71 kilohertz. So this is the bandwidth of two-stage synchronous amplifier. Okay. So similarly, you see the next question. Determine the bandwidth of two-stage synchronous tuned amplifier. Assume the bandwidth of individual stages 310 kilohertz. So this is a April 2015 question, 2-mark question. Okay, so same question only, but the bandwidth is different. So here the bandwidth of one stage is 310 kilohertz and the number of stages is 2. Okay, so here the overall bandwidth is, so the bandwidth of n stage amplifier is equal to BWN is equal to BW1 into square root of 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1. So here, so the bandwidth is equal to 310 into 10 to the power 3, 310 kilohertz. So 10 to the power 3 into square root of 2 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So if you are solving, we will get the answer is 199.51 kilohertz. Okay, so this is one of the problem. Then the next question, compute the bandwidth of three-stage cascade double-tuned amplifier. Okay, so here three identical double-tuned amplifiers are connected in cascade. Okay, if the bandwidth of single double-tuned amplifier is 20 kilohertz. Okay, so in the previous thing, the two problem is the similar single tuned amplifiers are connected in cascade means this is the formula BWN is equal to BW1 into square root of 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1. Okay, so here the double tuned amplifier, three stage double tuned amplifiers are connected in cascade means what is the overall bandwidth? Okay, so the bandwidth of single stage double tuned amplifier is 20 kilohertz and the number of stages given as n equal to 3. Okay, so therefore the bandwidth of n stage double tuned amplifier, the formula is that BWN is equal to BW1 into 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, if n number of single tuned amplifiers are connected in series means, so here instead of this 1 by 4 there is a 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 means root 2. But here if n number of double tuned amplifiers are connected in cascade means the overall bandwidth is BW1 into 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, so here what is the bandwidth of the single stage? It is at 20 kilohertz. So 20 into 10 to the power 3 into 2 to the power, what is the n value? Number of stages 3. So 2 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. So if you are solving using calci, we will get the answer is 14.28 into 10 to the power 3 hertz. Okay, so already you know the concept. If n number of stages or n number of similar tuned amplifiers are connected in cascade, means the overall bandwidth reduces. Okay, in a synchronous tuned, in a single tuned, if n number of tuned amplifiers are connected, means if two stage amplifiers, tuned amplifiers are connected, means the overall bandwidth is 63 percentage. Okay, if three such stages are connected, means the bandwidth reaches some 52 percentage. Okay, so the bandwidth is reduced from this 20 kilohertz to 14.28 kilohertz. Okay, so these are all the some of the important 2-mark problem from the tuned amplifier. Okay, so this topic is taken from the topic the effect of cascading single tuned amplifier on bandwidth, effect of cascading double tuned amplifiers on bandwidth. Okay, so you just remember the two formulas. If n number of double tuned amplifiers connected in cascade, means the bandwidth is BW1 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. If n number of single tuned amplifiers are connected in series, means the overall bandwidth is BWN is equal to BW1 into square root of 2 to the power 1 by n minus 1. Okay, so you just remember these two formula. Using this, you can solve the problem. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. And if you want to learn the MCQ for the subject electronic circuits too, in my channel there is a separate playlist is created, okay, for that subject. In that from the first unit to fifth unit, all MCQ videos are available, you can learn. Okay, so thank you, we will meet in the next video.